To add the logo div tag and define its CSS rules, page 48 in the tutorial. Now you will define a region named .logo in the layout.css style sheet to determine the custom arrangement of the gallery logo. Next, you set the CSS rules for the region by defining the type properties such as font family and font size, block properties such as text alignment, and box properties that set the size of the region. The float property determines where text and other objects should float around the region. Step 1. If necessary, in the gallery template, click within the container region. The dotted lines on your screen are the previous container region that we have set. In order to get your cursor back inside that region, make sure that you scroll up so that your cursor looks like a cursor again, and then click. You will see a flashing cursor on the left-hand side. Click the Insert Div Tag button on the insert bar to display the Insert Div Tag dialog box. If necessary, click the class text box and then type logo. To name the div tag, refer to figure 213. Step 2. Click the new CSS rule button to display the new CSS dialog box for adding a new CSS rule that defines the logo class. Look at figure 214. Click the OK button to add the .logo selector to the layout.css style sheet and display the CSS rule definition for .logo in layout.css dialog box. Step 4. If necessary, click Type in the category box, category list, to display the type options. Click Font Family, box arrow, and then click Arial Black Gadget Sans Serif to set the font family for the logo style. Click the font size box arrow and then click 14 to set the font size. Click the PX button next to the font size box and then click PT to change the font size units from PX to PT. Click the color text box and then type #000 to change the font color black. Step 5. Click the Apply button to apply the type settings. Click Block in the category list to display the block options. Category list, block. Click the Text Align box arrow and then click Center to set the text alignment for the .logo style. Refer to figure 216. Step 6. Click the Apply button to apply the block settings. Click Box in the category list to display the box options. Click the Width text box and then type 300 to set the width of the region containing the .logo style. Click the Height text box and then type 75 to set the height of the region. Click the Float box arrow and then click Left to specify that all other elements float to the left of the elements in the logo style. Refer to figure 217 on page 51. Step 7. Click the Apply button to apply the CSS rules for the .logo class within the layout.css file. Click the OK button, CSS Rule Definition dialog box, to define the CSS rules for the .logo class. Before you hit OK, notice that once you hit Apply, it becomes shaded for any of the categories that we've made changes for. Click the OK button in the Insert Div Tag dialog box to close the Insert Div Tag dialog box and display the .logo class region and its placeholder text. Refer to Figure 218. If necessary, select the placeholder text content for class logo. Here we don't have to because it's already highlighted in the document window, and then type the gallery, portrait, and family photography to insert the logo. Refer to Figure 219. Step 9. Click the Save button on the standard toolbar to save the template.